a number of political campaign themes have emerged. The MPPs breaking the eight, NDCs building the Ghana we want, Honorable Alan Martin's Alliance for Revolutionary Change, and Nana Kwame Bediako Cheddar, New Force Agenda. But none is bigger than Ghana.
On this auspicious occasion, Ogyeahohoo Gyebi the second, Nyansapo, the president of the National Hazard Chiefs.
Wadauma, we was at the memo there, and I was sanka, the country.
So,
now here, Droma Babishia Waha,
so,
a beauty Mali, Nigeria,
so,
and it's a come on now.
so,
Miss Threat, the Mokoto Kagra. Your Royal Majesty, Otumfuo II as Antony, and the celebrants of the Silver Jubilee Anniversary.
so,
Ashanti Regional Minister, if he's here or his representative,
so,
District, Municipal, and Metropolitan Chief Executives present,
so,
heads of various ministries, departments, and agencies in the region, Nananum from Ashanti,
so,
especially my mentor, Nana Otuo Serebo Gabenhene, and all the other chiefs present.
so,
Chiefs of various ethnic groups in Ashanti here assembled, chairman and members of Silver Jubilee Celebration Planning Committee,
so,
distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen.
so,
It is indeed an honor and privilege to be invited to be the guest of honor of this Silver Jubilee celebration.
so,
Your Majesty the Asantehene, and as guests of honor of the Ahohoo Durbar,
so,
I am extremely grateful for the honor and privilege done me. I bring to you warm felicitations from the chiefs and people of the Nyansapo traditional area,
so,
the Western North region where I come from, and in my capacity as President of the National House of Chiefs,
so,
I convey to you the highest felicitations from the chiefs in Ghana. I, on my own behalf, and behalf of the National House of Chiefs,
so,
and my Vice President present here,
so,
congratulate you, Your Majesty, on your 25 years of effective traditional rule and as occupant of the Golden Stool.
so,
Commemoration of bravery and resilience. I am informed that this Silver Jubilee anniversary also marks the commemoration of 150th anniversary of the Sagrenti War and the centenary anniversary of Nana Prempeh II from exile. What is common about events in the annals of Ashanti Kingdom is the fortitude, bravery, and resilience of the Ashanti people against domination of the British Empire.
so,
The Sagrenti War and the events leading to the taking into exile of Asantehene were testimonies of bravery and demonstration of resilience in protecting the sovereignty and the culture, values, traditions, identity, and the heritage of the Ashanti people.
so,
The people of Ghana owe the people of Ashanti. We are proud of you
so,
and will always recognize you for your bravery.
so,
Acknowledgement of ethnic groups. Nananum, my understanding is that this Durbar is to acknowledge the cordial relationship that has existed over the years between the Golden Stool and various ethnic groups in the Central region. To demonstrate Otumfuo's appreciation for the significant roles played by various ethnic groups in support of his reign and the planning, of course, and the reign of his predecessors. We are grateful to Otumfuo the Asantehene, the people of Ashanti, and all the various ethnic groups in Kumasi and Ashanti region to be part of this historic event. Nananom, we are all from different backgrounds and have different cultures and traditions. But what unites us as a people is more than that which divides us. But what every leader expects of his subjects is unalloyed loyalty. And so I call on all the ethnic groups around to commit themselves to serving the Golden Stool. The Asantehene and the Ashantis have allowed us to do business peacefully, and the little that we can do is also show appreciation by showing loyalty to the Golden Stool. We pray that the good Lord of the universe, who has created us and planted us into tribes and nations, that we may know and understand each other, and not that we may despise each other. May he flood our path with his light as we walk humbly towards a deeper relationship and a future filled with hope and realization of our aspirations. 25 years of effective leadership. Nananom, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen 25 years of impactful traditional leadership, which has met the hopes and aspirations of the people and the nation at large. The Ashanti Kingdom contribution to the development of Ghana is immense. Your role as the custodian and the very epitome of Akan culture and heritage has been phenomenal. You have promoted Akan culture home and abroad and have become a global icon for Ghanaian kinship and culture. Your generation, your orientation towards development has become a model for many modern African monarchs. Transformational leadership. Your Royal Majesty, it is not for nothing that you have been christened King Solomon. It is a testimony of wisdom, leadership, and development. Your leadership has been nothing less than a beacon of light for many, and it is worthy of emulation by kings and traditional leaders, including me, on the continent and beyond. The period of your reign has witnessed massive development across your kingdom and beyond. Indeed, you have demonstrated transformational leadership in the sense that many of the projects you have embarked upon these 25 years are projects whose benefits will transcend the current generation and many generations to come. Otumfuo Charity Foundation projects. The Otumfuo Educational Fund initially focused on education, but the expansion of your development initiative beyond education culminated in the establishment of the Otumfuo Charity Foundation, by which all the various development schemes operate. The Otumfuo Charity Foundation seeks to improve on the lives of Ghanaians by implementing the ideals, values, vision of the Asantehene and the nation, and also help to transform Africa. The Otumfuo Educational Fund which has been in existence for over 20 years, has helped provide educational infrastructure across the length and breadth of the whole country. Some of the 400,000 individuals from across the nation have received some form of financial support, ranging from full scholarship, bursaries for part payment of fees, accommodation, stationery, clothing, transportation, and airfares, as well as admission and examination fees. Many schools outside the Ashanti Kingdom, including my own Ogyeahohoo Secondary School in the Western North region, where you are erecting a 600-bed student dormitory, is nearly completion. Let's give a clap to Otumfuo. Have benefited your benevolence and charitable deeds. The Kofanoti Teaching Hospital, CAP, is the second largest hospital in Ghana. The ongoing Hill CAP project, which was launched under your auspices, and ongoing Hill Ghana project, to raise, and your expectation is to raise $10 million in funding for a total infrastructure improvement of the 70-year-old CAP, which will benefit generations to come, and geographical spread will go beyond Ashanti Kingdom and even Ghana. Your Excellency, for many people outside of the Ashanti Kingdom, including Western North, Ahafo, and even parts of the Eastern region, and indeed, it's about 12 out of the 16 regions, all benefit from CAP as a referral hospital. And I will invite all Ghanaians, especially those within the catchment area of CAP, to contribute to the Hill CAP project. I will return to the Hill CAP project shortly. 2024 elections, Your Majesty and Chairman, Nananom, invited guests. This year, 2024, is an election year. Indulge me to use this platform to address some election issues. Very soon, the political campaign will intensify, and election fever and tension will rise. We need to remind ourselves that no matter our interests and political persuasion, we are one people with a common destiny. It is our responsibility to preserve it. It is important for all of us to work towards fair, peaceful elections. In relation to forthcoming elections, a number of political campaign themes have emerged. The MPPs breaking the eight, NDCs building the Ghana we want, Honorable Alan Martin's Alliance for Revolutionary Change, and Nana Kwame Cheddar New Force Agenda. But none is bigger than Ghana. None of this is bigger than Ghana. We need to kill, vote, and have our results declared. As chiefs and community leaders, we have a responsibility to educate our people, especially the youth, not to allow themselves for any politician or political grouping to exploit their vulnerabilities into engaging in violence or any vice which will undermine the individual and community safety or the integrity of elections. Donation towards Hill CAP project. As indicated earlier, many of us from Sefi and its environment, CAP has been a major referral hospital. Our elders say, for Durbar and the Appiah to wed. A wedding cause elicits support. So on my own behalf and on behalf of the Nyansapo Traditional Council, the chiefs and people of my traditional area, we make a modest donation of 5,000 United States dollars towards the CAF project.
More fearful.
Conclusion, on behalf of my people, on behalf of all the ethnic groups present, I say happy anniversary to Otumfuo. May the Lord and our ancestors shower love, wisdom, and warmth upon you on the occasion of your silver anniversary. Happy anniversary to an amazing chief whose achievements for the benefit of Ashanti Kingdom and Ghana are highly appreciated. My Royal Majesty, the board of GMPC has requested me to inform you that on the 12th or before the 12th, the whole board, including the chairman, will also come to pay their homage to you. Long live Otumfuo, long live Asanteman, long live Ghana. Thank you for your attention.
Dentini bube, the brebe ze bube. Ebeye de den.
Kura preko enim sebe, odwampopo bi esi kuro ni mu awase wadoresa. Tanyini wantena fie. Emma aseduamfo.
Blani pie frimantam behin se pin. Enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa.
Ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa wotua ne nsem mojabumo nim hu bi.
Duanani wie klaman. Wo ye sofo kra wo nyeye bi.
Tonte ye no nsa na ye fa.
Nyansapo.
Abone ntaka na mane yakese na ntakra abone de fanyinam kwatere kwa.
Mada woro ma ntuma ye fe. Ni din de seyin.
Ni din de Obama.
Akola wa no so. Pese otrimu osuma. Ense bratam.
The family ne honhon hia na America sa.
Sebe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai. Ebu afaso enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame.
Sebedi akone be kwen bodi atwede. Na se kofi nro ni ya aben ntima nyina ni mu ampata na